eyes will go. And premium Arabica beans make your palate go. It's more than coffee. It's Starbucks by espresso. Make it yours at home.
Hi everybody, today we're gonna report why is the Adopt Me dog sad. Well, all because a dog is getting deleted, no more updates, or 4th of July. Well, that's not the case. Sunny Link, report please.
Because it's a Toyota.
Sunny Link. Well, it's not that. It was just a part of the test how people react to it. And yeah. Coco, report please. There was a part of the test where people reacted, so that the players can increase to be the popular game.
NIB was exciting as health insurance gets.
And instead of the happy dog, they put it a sad dog, and that's done. Anyways, bye guys. Bye everybody. Hope you enjoyed our news.